This bridge was selected due to its use of precast pre-stressed concrete box beams to span over existing abutments while maintaining the existing hydraulic opening to facilitate permitting. Precast pre-stressed concrete allowed a shallower superstructure depth to maintain the underclearance to the channel without significantly raising the profile of the bridge. This made it aesthetically consistent with the look of the existing historic bridge that it replaced.
The precast solution used for this structure allowed the owner to save the existing 100-year-old stone back wall and abutments and greatly reduce the needed earthwork.
The stone facing that they added to the barriers in the approach faces made it fit in with the environment in which the historic bridge was originally constructed.
Prefabricating the bridge elements offline while maintaining traffic greatly reduced the construction time. In fact, the precast pre-stressed box beams used for this structure were able to be installed in only 2 days. The end result shows how a traditional precast solution can meet multiple complex project demands.